Thokozani Makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Igama lami uMoyane Nsizwa kaNkosi. Hlale Soweto. Please do welcome me back on our videos, continuing teaching and growing our spirits. Okay? Namadlozi wethu. So now I wish you a great year. I wish you all the best in life. I wish you good life. I wish you good health. I wish you prosperity. Now, today I'd like to talk about identifying issues. You understand? Like, we differ as families, we differ in our belief systems that we carry. You understand? So now, the thing that eyenzakalayo emndenini yethu is that our families do not understand ukuthi amadlozi wethu kahle kahle aqhamuka kuphi aya kuphi, because of now the generational thing. It's a generational thing that's happening within us and within our families. You understand? So now there's this, we get to this point yokuthi ke manje uh umuntu idlozi leli elimngenile, like this ancestor elimngenile kuyena, ufuna ukuli-identify, ufuna ukulazi. You understand? Most lento le yenzakala to most families. You understand? Uzothola ukuthi umntwana unamadlozi uphethe isipho sabantu abadala. Now when that happens, simply means ukuthi abantu abadala la uphila nabo, meaning that abazali bakho, bogogo bakho, they want to identify idlozi eliphethe. Now what I'm trying to teach here today is that at some point it's highly impossible to identify idlozi leli eliphethe ingane yakho, eliphethe umzukulu wakho, or eliphethe wena. Ngesinye isikhathi it's impossible because of now it's a generational thing. Now we need to understand the difference between idlozi and ubungoma. There's a huge difference between that. Now idlozi now is something that abantu abadala abakungenayo. We as abantu abaphila phansi komthunzi elanga, we are the carriers of the gift. You understand? Now, before you can carry the gift, there's a meeting that's been held with the universe and with your forefathers. Bonke baphelele. It starts where la isibongo sakho siqala khona. You understand? It's iqala lapho. Now, in each and every ancestor, there's a duty that they need to fulfill with umsebenzi wabo, within the family, within the life that they lived. Now they need to fulfill that through you. That's why ungenwa idlozi. I told you anything short. It depends on la baphelele khona. It depends ukuthi baphelele kubo emsebenzi yabo iphelele kuphi. Now idlozi manje kungena liza liphethe imisebenzi eminingi ehlukahlukene. Now to differentiate the gift and ubungoma. Now idlozi it's people, abantu abasabadlulile phansi komthunzi elanga sebahlala umhlaba wabo. Yathola into engishoyo? Now meaning that abantu abangasekho kodwa umoya yabo isaphila. Yathola into engishoyo? Now asikhulume ngedlozi. Idlozi umuntu, it's a single, umuntu ophila, umuntu oke waphila and then wandlula emhlabeni, angithi? Now idlozi malingena phakathi kuwena liza lifuna indawo kuwe. Liqala before lizokupha isipho. It starts where liya to enhlokweni zasekhaya, meaning that the high table, like la isibongo sakho kini siqala khona. Yathola into engishoyo? Iqala lapho ke manje. It starts there ukuthi ke before bazokunika lesi sipho lesi, they negotiate amongst themselves before they can give you that gift. They negotiate that and they agree on that. Now meaning that ukuthi mase yenzakala lento le Makhehla is that la isuka khona izifike lapha kuwena, and so that you cannot identify ukuthi iqhamuka kuphi iya kuphi, that kunala isikhathi la bayincamula khona. Now mabayincamula lento amadlozi Makhehla simply means that they cooling down and they want to see ukuthi in this generation, we want to see ukuthi how are they going to carry themselves. How are they going to practice our principles? How are they going to practice our traditions and our heritage? Now, ukuze inqamuke is because of now generations and generations thina singabantu asifani, and the generations that we live in azifani, zihlukile. The way we behave, the way we think, definitely so sihlukile ngendlela eziningi ehlukahlukene. Now ukungena endabeni yokuthi manje how to identify idlozi elukutholile, before uzalwa babheka the generation labazali bakho first, yathola, babheka the generation yabogogo bakho first, ukuthi how they carry themselves, how they practice their rituals, how they like continue with the education that they were given by their own forefathers. You understand? Now, if now they change and they adopt certain traditions, amadlozi ayangala. You need to understand that first. Amadlozi ayangala before bazoqhubekisa. Mababona bathi you adopting certain traditions, certain principles, amadlozi they tend to ukuthi bangale ke manje bahlala, and then certain things start to change within your family, meaning that the way you practice, the way niphahla ngakhona, the way you acknowledge amadlozi, angithi certain things have changed in so many ways. That's why ke manje kuba nzima ngesinye isikhathi ukuthi u-identify idlozi lakho ngoba lisuke linqamulile from ngabogogo wakho, ngoba babone the way bayenza izinto ngakhona. Now they putting the gift on hold so that they can see ukuthi inzalo yabo izohamba kanjani up until kuze kufike wena muntu ophethe leli dlozi leli. Yathola lento engisho, but they always knew that you are going to be the one that's going to carry this gift and fulfill it and do it properly. But now you're going to have a problem because of abazali bakho, they do not understand, because of they want to identify idlozi elukuphethe, meaning that bafuna ukwazi ukuthi ukhokho wakhe, bafuna ukumbona ngamehlo, it's either bafuna ukuthi bambonile or abakaze bambona, like along those lines they want to understand ubani lo muntu okungenile. Whereas ngesinye isikhathi it's impossible ngoba kusuke kuyisimo sokuthi umsuke ungena idlozi maybe ela 10 decades ago or 100 years ago. You understand? It's very possible ukuthi ungene idlozi elinjalo and abazali bakho bangalazi. It's very very possible ukuthi into enjalo yenzakala, ukuthi ungene idlozi abazali bakho bangalazi, kodwa wena lisuke manje selivukile ke manje lithi cala ukusebenza, ngoba along those years lisamile belilinde wena. Because of now, before lizokungena, they had a meeting and then baze basho ukuthi wena, let's say for instance umkhulu wakho or ukhokholozi wakho perhaps, bathe baba ne-meeting nabo babamkhulu bakhe before him or before her, bake baba ne-meeting nabo bomkhulu kanjalo, and then bamtshela ukuthi in 10 years or in 100 years to come, your great grandson or granddaughter, she is going to be the one to, or he is going to be the one to carry the gift because of certain reasons. Those reasons might be that generation le ebayinqamule ngayo is because of they did bad things, they didn't practice the tradition properly, like khona izinto eziningi abayishintshile kakhulu ukuze futhi nomuzi uhlangahlangana. It's because of now azange basayenza those teachings that they got from their own forefathers. Now that's why bakwazi ukunqamula ukuthi we'll take a break here, we'll put this gift into archives, like by archive kahle and treasure it up until the great grand they know you and they marked you, so that's why you have that gift. Now don't be scared when you do not know ukuthi uphethe idlozi eliphi. It's very much possible for you ukuthi ube idlozi, uphathe idlozi ela decades and decades years back, 100 years back, 200 years back, 300 years back. It's very much possible ukuthi nabazali bakho bangalazi lelo dlozi lelo, ngoba ukuze bangalazi kade bangakazalwa nabo. Yathola into engisho, meaning that ukuze izifike nakuwe, they trusted, they saw the potential within your parents, and they saw the energy that they had, they saw the way they think, they saw the way bayenza izinto ngakhona. Yathola into engisho, before they were even born. Now isimo like ihamba ngama-genes futhi. Yathola into engisho, ihamba ngokuthi ke manje the way abazali bakho bebaphila ngakhona. Yathola into engisho, before baza kulo mhlaba losiphila kuwona. Yathola into engisho, ngoba manje I want to make an example. If umuntu futhi bekanamacala kakhulu, yathola into engisho. And makanamacala kakhulu in that regard ukuthi akangeni kahle emndenini, uzoza in a sense ukuthi kuba yisilwane, isilwane esinjani, maybe perhaps mawusowuthwasa uba yisilwane sembuzi, yathola into engisho. And then that specific mbuzi that you see in the dream, it simply means that maybe uzobona imbuzi inembala ethize or inembala ethize kuphi kuphi kuphi. It's marked because of it represents that particular ancestor that needs to ukuthi nibhadale amacala wakhona ligezwe kahle and likwazi ukuthi lingene kahle emndenini, yathola into engisho. It's very much possible ukuthi-ke manje niwabhadalele kanjani amacala wenu ngesimo sokuthi manje imimoya yabo seyishintshile bayilahlele esilwaneni ngoba bakangeni phakathi emndenini. So now what I'm trying to say here is that it's very much possible ukuthi uthwase idlozi elakudala ngisho nabo nokhokho wakho angalazi. It's very much possible ngoba kusuke ukuthi bayincabule kuphi, baphelele kuphi ukuze ingachubeki ngoba amadlozi banesimo sokungali. Mabangalile bayibeka lento bayibeka kahle and then bayilungisa up until baze bathole the right person ukuthi ayilungise. That's why you as a gifted person udonsa kanzima ngoba the gift, it needs to be evoked in a proper manner. It needs to ukuthi ivuselelwe kahle ukuze ngoba into yakudala, insimbi yakudala irusile, so kwamele it must be polished well, it must be cleaned well, yathola into engisho. That's why usokola ngaleyo ndlela usokola ngayo ngoba usayigubha, basayigubha manje basayikhipha kahle kuwena and ukuze ivuleke kahle and for you to understand it is wena ukuthi uthathe the root, ukuthi uthathe ubungoma uthwase wenze izinto zakini. That's where you're gonna polish it nicely, that's where you're gonna understand it properly, yathola into engisho. So now isebenza kanjani now? Ubungoma is where you activate the gift, yathola into engisho. It's where you activate the like every part of it, yathola into engisho. Ubungoma, that's where it comes in. It comes in a sense ukuthi manje that's when ubavuselela, that's when ke manje uvuselela lesipho lesidala sakugcitshwa, yathola into engisho. So now isebenza ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi you must understand, even your families need to understand ukuthi it's very much possible for umuntu athathe idlozi leli bangalazi, yabona ngoba sinokuthola amathwasa angena ephehlweni, yathola into engisho, and then bathi idlozi leli asilazi asikaze silibone. Yes, it's very much possible ngoba idlozi lakudala, ngoba idlozi la ubabamkhulu bakho ngisho nabazali bakho abakazi balibona, yathola into engisho. Manje ukuzalwa kwakho ukuzalwa ubona, yathola into engisho. The day you were born bozalwa nabo. Now along the journey kade bakubhekile, kade bakuprepare for that. That's why uba a different child, that's why you always isolated in a different manner, yathola into engisho. That's why your dreams in ngesinye isikhathi asifani. Ngesinye isikhathi other people dream of unicorns, yathola. It's a sense ukuthi uphethwe idlozi eliphi eliqhamuka kuphi eliya kuphi elanini. Other people dream of certain creatures that don't even exist in this day and age. It's because of now akutshengisa ukuthi uphethwe idlozi elinjani. Your dreams really tell a lot of story, like amaphupho akho akutshela indabuko yakho la uqhamuka khona and bakutshela ukuthi uphethwe amadlozi anjani. So do not underestimate your dreams in anyhow, you understand, because of that's where you get the true essence of your ancestors. That's where you get the true meaning of who you are and what kind of carrier are you. Wedlozi, I told you into engisho. You need to understand that ukuthi when bathi uphethwe idlozi, it doesn't specifically mean ukuthi uphethwe idlozi lamanje, idlozi lakagogo wakho or idlozi lakakhokho wakho lo wambona. No, it's very much possible ukuthi we learn that from the root. I told you into engisho. And your dreams definitely will tell you the reason being you dream about unicorns, the reason being uphupha all those creatures. It's because of it's all about the encounters that they had. That's why you have the power to see all this kind of dreams that you see. You're telling them to show all this kind of creatures that you see, all these people all these different people that you don't understand. It's because of the age that they lived in, the years that they lived in. You understand? So it's very much possible. I'm trying to teach you that with you. Ubungoma ukuze lesipho sakini sisebenze and sivuseleleke ngendlela efanelekile. It's that ungene ebungomeni. Ubungoma is all about activating it. At all, activating the gift and making those ancestors live with you, live within you, and work with you, and being a team player with them, so that ukwazi ukuthi uphilise and like upatalela all those mistakes that happened in previous decades, in previous years, in previous generations. So that's where you come in. Ubungoma is where you rectify all those mistakes so that your family can be intact, so that your family can live a healthy lifestyle, so that ukuthi wonke la macala lawo avalwe ngokuthatha lo bungoma. It's all about activating and paying debts zokuthi ke manje lezi ezayenzakala mandulo. So now you as a carrier, you have that like bakupha loyo msebenzi loyo ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi ubhadale konke loyo msebenzi loyo, ukwazi ukubhadala wonke lamacala lawo when taking the gift. Yathola into engisho. So now do understand that ukuthi, and don't punish yourself in a sense of what you don't know the gift, maybe you crazy, maybe you depressed, maybe no, it's all because of it's a generational thing. La iphelele khona, you uzoqala from there, and then you're gonna move step by step till the end of it. You understand? So now, mind you, all those difficult things that you're facing, all those hardships that you're facing, and that you tried so many ways, you went to different healers and all that. Understand it. Irusile lento. Mayirusile, you need to clean it properly. You need to like iphuma from deep down emhlabathini, kwamele uyikhiphe lapho uyikline kahle. That's why ngisese kuba nzima ukuthi ihlangane ngoba you need that patience. Ngoba it was patient for you ukuthi ukumele up until a certain age so that you can eventually take the gift. Now understand ukuthi ube nzima lokho, you still brushing it. So now so that to finish the product, you need to activate it now. How do you activate it? By taking ubungoma, like fulfilling their wishes and making the gift alive. By taking it out from the ground and brushing it doesn't mean that you need certain things so that ukwazi ukuthi uyivuselele and iphile now. That's where ubungoma comes in. It's where you build a new relationship with them. It's where you understand them. It's where you build a proper family with them, so that the family yakho ikwazi ukuthi ihlangane ibe mbambolunye, all those mistakes and all those misunderstandings and all those misinterpretations, like konke lokho kwenzakele mandulo okulungisayo ngoba they chose you. They had a meeting and they agreed, even like abobabamkhulu bakho nje bakudala, they agreed on that. That's why you are the carrier of the gift. That's what I'm short. So understand that there's the reason being you see different colored goats is because of they are specific in a sense of what they marked that person or sugar akungenile. They marked it. Let's say for instance uzobona imbuzi emibalabala like nje ishintshile. It's because of now, let's say for instance inembala somewhere, it's because of idlozi leli likungenile lisuka lifuna ukuthi ulivuselele ke manje with that marked ngale mpahla le emarked. Yathola into engisho, which means that's how you marked inside you understand. So ngithi akubeni kuhle makhehla kudede ubunyama kuvele ukhanya. I still have so many information about this chapter. I'll make part 2 of it. Please do subscribe. Ngithi akubeni kuhle kudede ubunyama kuvele kukhanya. Igama lami umoyeni kaNkosi. Ngithi asiphilisane nenkosi yamakhosi shwele. Ikho lokho.